Napaka-supportive naman ni Gerald Anderson sa kanyang girlfriend sa pagbubukas ng kanyang business. Present din ang mother ni Julia na si Marjorie at lahat ng kanyang kapatid. Ganito nga ka-close si Gerald, lalong-lalo na sa bunsong kapatid ni Julia na si Erich.
Okay, yun lang. So, yeah, we could talk about this. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Ang sweet nga ni Gerald na naging assistant ni Julia sa launching event ng sariling clothing line niya. Si Gerald mismo nagbuhat ng mannequin habang nag-e-explain si Julia. At kinilig naman ang mga manonood sa ganda ng ngiti ni Julia.
Hindi po namin itatago sa iyo. Wala lang dito.
Si Dr. Vicky Bello naman napatanong agad kay Gerald kung kailan ba ang wedding nila ni Julia. Excited nga si Vicky Bello maging ninang dito. Sagot naman ni Gerald sa kanya, ikaw agad ang unang makakaalam nito.
I love it.
Thankful si Julia sa lahat ng friendships niya ay nakarating nga dito sa launching event. Kasama na dito si Isa Pressman at very close nga sila.
Daddy! Hey, Daddy! Daddy!
Napaka-sweet naman ng family and friends ni Julia sa lahat ng ginagawa ni Julia ay napaka-supportive nila lahat. Business-minded na nga ang mga artista ngayon. Si Ate Dani Barreto, Leon at bunsong si Erich ay always 100 full support sa kanilang kapatid na si Julia. Ang gaganda nga ng kanilang looks kahit simple lang ang mga suot.
The Juju Club with the launch of the new line of Julia Barreto. Come on, let's go see what it's like. But it's so like. So, I have to go back to the settle. Bello bright to be. So excited. I know, what is it? December.
Si Vicky Bello naman nakwentuhan din si Ella Pangilinan kung kailan nga ba ang kasal nito. Sumagot naman si Ella, sa December at talagang kaabang-abang ito. Ganito nga machika si Dr. Bello.
I think that's pretty much it. I just wanted to showcase that swimwear is something to wear with outfits. Actually, I'm looking at all of you now with ang ano na lang po now, like there's so many outfits that you can also just wear, yeah, wear it or Juju Club. Since the halter top one piece siya, and I love one piece because I feel like, you know, it's wholesome and still conservative for anybody who's scared to really wear it all. So this is such a good piece. It's so flattering, lalo na sa shoulders. And this is just one of the ideas of how you can wear it. Actually, imagine if you actually wear this top using. Before I discuss the swimwear collection and the swimwear line further, I am so excited to share the campaign video that is titled Seasons with Juju. So here it is. I'll move to the side so you guys can see it. Share. All my friends are present, never absent. But because of that, I wanted to share kasi my team.
Napaka-successful na nga ni Julia bukod sa career, family, love life at sariling bahay. Ngayon, own business at siya mismo ang CEO. Ganito kapurso si Julia sa kanyang mga dreams. Very happy na ma-achieve ito lahat sa kanyang edad.
Today I feel because I've always dreamt of having my own swimwear line and having a swimwear collection under the Juju Club, and that brings us all to today. And before I discuss the swimwear collection and the swimwear line further, I am so excited to share the campaign video that is titled Seasons with Juju. So here it is. I'll move to the side so you guys can see. But as we enter this new season, I also want to share that we have a new home as well. So our official website is launching tomorrow, and we start shipping internationally tomorrow as well. We're not only selling on Shopee, but we're also opening on Lazada. So now we're going to have 3 homes for the Juju Club starting tomorrow, and you can start ordering starting 12 midnight later. So be home early and order so I can order.